back to my channel. Today is another studio vlog, it's isolation studio vlog. I have a few projects I'm gonna show you in a second. I'm gonna work on today. It's more like a catch-up, finishing off day to day. Tomorrow it's gonna be on this vlog too. I'll do more. So I'm starting some new projects. Actually the weather is kind of off and on. It's kind of cold and warm. Still not really springy out, but yes, last night it actually rained, which is good because it gets rid of some of that snow that's still kind of lingering around in some yards and you know, whatever on the sides. So my neighbor's walking around like it's winter though. She has a toque on her gloves, so I don't know how warm it is outside. Anyway, so let's get into it. I'll show you what I'm working on. Okay, so when I did the big pour, which you're gonna see you should see in the video that came out this weekend, I poured some on these blocks of wood, where I did actually acrylic pour and then embellishment. Like this one came out really cool. Like as soon as I looked at it, I saw this fish. You can see how shiny it is. I put some silver in it, so this is a really cool one. So I'm going to take off the tape and kind of clean it up and do some, I don't know if I should do silver or blue. I don't know. I have to think about it. I'll figure it out. And there's another one of these. So there's a whole bunch. You can see here. Then I made these coasters, but some of them didn't come out too well. Still have some big bumps in it. So I have to put another layer of resin on that one. Just stuck together. This one too. It seems to be way harder to pour it on a small piece than on a big piece for some reason. Or maybe I'm just gonna leave it. I don't know. Just leave the bumps. It kind of evens out the wood anyway, most of it, because they're not flat. They were leftover wood pieces. It came out pretty cool though. They're still pretty shiny. So we'll see. Maybe I'm just going to put them on the website for a lesser price because they're kind of not perfect. And this one came out well too. My buffalo. It's just funny. Sometimes in these pours, I just can't see things and I go right with it. It just happens by chance. It's not like I'm trying. This one is kind of neat too. This one came out pretty good. It doesn't have a lot of bubbles. And then we get this one I did a lot before. I thought I had another one like that. Well, I guess not. This one I put another layer of resin on this one. This one, it's hard to see. Yeah, see, that's shiny. This one came out really well. I really like this one. I have more of these, so what I'm going to do is just a resin pour on it, I think. Makes the process a little easier, even though this is really cool. It's got like 3 layers on. It's got the first pour, the resin and acrylic mixed pour. Then I did some embellishment, let it dry, and then put another layer on, which is very time consuming, and you know I can't charge the worth of the time I'm using, so I need to mainstream it a little bit more with these ones. We'll see when there's going to be stuff open again to actually can sell things. And so these ones I made a while ago, my encaustic pours, and I still need to do the sides. Still deciding if I make gold, white, or some kind of a grayish blue color. I have to, or black. I don't know yet. That's what I'm going to do today. And then of course I have my new favorite show, Grace and Frankie, on. Listen to that while I'm doing this. That's what I'm going to do today. So let's get on with it. Okay, so let's just start doing the tape. If you tape it well, it should come off pretty easy. It's usually better to take it off like 24 hours after. So we'll see how it's going to work out. Otherwise you have to warm it up, take it off like that. But I thought today, because we're doing sort of lethargic work, we should talk about how some people, or how we feel about this whole, you know, pandemic going on. So, you know, the first week or so, because I was on vacation, I wasn't, whatever, it was vacation time. You know, you could do certain things, but it wasn't as bad, because I usually don't always go somewhere, and I was planning on doing a lot of art at that time anyway. So that was all right. But then I had to go back to work, and, you know, I had to do all this social distancing and all the cleaning and being worried about not getting infected by these people coming. It's not that many people coming in, but still. Oh, I gotta send that off, but there's just a, you know, a little bit of anxiety going on about that. But it was still okay. But there's definitely days that is like, gets on your nerves and you think like, what the heck? What are we doing? You know, you can't take this anymore. Like, my kids, they're in there. One is in 20 and the other one is, turns 20 this year. And then my daughter, she's 17. She obviously has a problem with her social life. So, they were also on vacation, so they did have some, school now online, which helps. Keeps her busy somehow, but it's not easy for her either. I don't know how you guys are feeling, because I'm gonna go get my ball to sit on. I think you just have to take it day by day and not worry about it too much all the time. And, you know, try to be positive and have fun somehow. Just have little victories. Apparently a lot of places want to open up again, like a little bit, open up some services again. And I mean, it can't go on forever anyway. The whole world can't just crash down, and, you know, it's not gonna work. So we just have to somehow try to live with it as best as we can. I hope there's some treatments coming up faster than vaccines, so we can kind of get a control on it. But yeah, it's a daily struggle with, you know, your mind plays games on you, for sure. You just go day by day. That's what I do anyway. So let me know in the comments how you guys are dealing with this. Okay. I'm definitely happy that I'm an artist and I can do this. I wish I could be a full-time artist all the time, which I'm trying to do. That's just part of this YouTube channel, to make some money with my art, but it does not happen like currently. But that's the goal. And it has to be somehow online, because you're having a local business, even though it's fun to have a store and all that, but if something like this happens, then you're screwed, right? Like, so having an online presence is probably the best thing, and it's independent, location independent. So that's why I started my YouTube channel, to help you guys with, you know, with some art tips, or just watch me. Some people just like watching artists being creative. But yeah, I'm glad I have this. Like my kids, they have a hard time doing something else. They can't adjust. I told them, like, oh, different things, do this, do that, learn this, do that, but apparently they're not receptive to that, so I don't know what to do about that. Anyway, they gotta learn on their own, I guess. They're not little kids anymore. So yeah, the anxiety is definitely high, and I feel more tired lately because your brain is working overtime too. So lots of, you know, relaxation and just doing nothing, just laying and drinking tea and maybe meditating. I'm not much for a meditator. I have a hard time, but some people are good at it and know how to do it. My meditation is creating art. So yeah, those are my 2 cents anyway. So that's pretty cute. Then I'm gonna continue this and watch my show, and I'll show you what I do with the edges in a minute. Okay, so one thing I did is I painted them white. They look pretty cute. I couldn't put 4 in a row because they don't fit, but I just wanted to put them up and see how they look. Still not sure what I'm going to do with them. Leave them like this. I probably should buy some shadow boxes. They look really professional. So yeah, there are those cuties. And I painted these ones. I put 2 coats on it. So like I said, they're kind of flat, but still really cute. I really love this one. Maybe I'm gonna keep this one. I don't know. It's just pretty much accidental when these things happen. You know, like this. You just see things and then you go with it. But anyway, I still don't know what to do with this one. Gotta look up some Pinterest possibilities. I think I may either just varnish them with normal, just with regular varnish, or should have a tint to it. I don't know yet. So, gotta figure that out. Now I'm gonna set up this mess here. Get rid of the mess for tomorrow, so I can make another one of those up there, but different, but resin. Hey, and look at that. The sun came out. There's less snow. Obviously almost no snow anymore, so that's always good. So spring is slowly coming. Hey guys, welcome back. So it's the next day. As you can tell, I had a shower because later on my lovely daughter's gonna cut my hair, but just in the back, so you may or may not be seeing that depending how it goes. But right now I'm gonna prime that one other square so I can resin it. I'm gonna let it dry, vacuum my living room because I kept not wanting to do it, but anyway, I'm gonna, and then when it's dry, come back and then I'll show you, probably on speed dial, how I resin this piece. Is going to take a while. So anyways, see you in a sec. There, this blue, I painted it. It's the same size as the other one from the other video, and get on with it. Okay, so my daughter cut my hair, so I'm gonna put a little clip in here. You can see how it went. Keep going. Okay, I did it. Okay, I'll open up the ponytail. Well, it's going to shrink a little bit when it dries.
Do you want it even shorter than this? Oh my god.
Maybe.
Oh my god. Okay.
Well, we won't see it much when it's old. The ponytail's open.
I know. But would you like it straight?
Yeah, that would be good. There, that's better. Okay, here it's drying. Quick look. Okay, so this is like the leftover resin. Let's see if I'll make another one of those bowls. Gotta wait till tomorrow morning and see if I can move it and put it on in the form somehow. It's funny when it's on a thin layer like this, it moves way more than if it's on wood. So all that white is now kind of covered blue. Wonder how it looks on the other side. Excuse me. And what else did I do? Oh, I just put one in a little muffin tin. There. See how that one comes out when it's dry. These guys I had to redo a little bit. I don't know, they're still kind of not really covered properly. But that's just the way it's gonna be. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, the sun is out now. Yeah, this is how my hair is now. It's a little shorter. It's shorter, definitely shorter in the back. But because of the ponytail, it goes down, which I don't mind. Right now, till it's dry, we'll see what happens. Definitely get rid of some of these ends, and I can't go to the hairdresser. I'll have them shorter for the summer. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Ring that bell. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Yeah, and let me know what you guys are doing and still this pandemic going on. See you in the next one.